Hi there.
Hello.
Are you new here?
In a way, yes.
What do you mean?
This is not my original time.
Not your time.
I'm from the year 2125.
That's a joke, right?
No, I'm completely serious.
You're a time traveler.
Exactly.
How did you get here?
Through a quantum time portal.
That sounds insane.
It's science, very advanced science.
Why are you here?
To observe how history unfolded.
Why this year?
The 2020s were a turning point.
Turning point for what?
Climate, politics, technology, you name it.
What do you observe here?
Human decisions and behavior.
And what have you seen so far?
Confusion, but also hope.
Do we mess up the future?
Somewhat, but you recover.
That's good to know.
Only barely, though.
So we fix things.
After many failures, yes.
What helps us change?
Awareness and innovation.
What's daily life like in 2125?
Highly automated, deeply connected.
Do we have flying cars?
Not quite, but transportation is advanced.
How do people work there?
Most jobs are remote or AI assisted.
And education?
It's personalized and virtual.
Is school still boring?
Not when AI customizes it for you.
Wow, that sounds cool.
It has pros and cons.
What's the biggest con?
Loss of privacy.
Oh, that's scary.
It is, but manageable with ethics.
Do people live longer?
Yes, thanks to genetic engineering.
Like how long?
Up to 130 years, sometimes more.
That's unbelievable.
The future often is.
What do people eat?
Mostly lab-grown or plant-based food.
No more meat.
It's rare and regulated.
Interesting.
It reduced emissions drastically.
Do we colonize space?
Mars has a settlement.
Are there aliens?
We haven't confirmed any yet.
Are you allowed to tell me all this?
Technically, no.
So why are you doing it?
You seemed trustworthy.
Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome.
What happens if you stay too long?
The timeline can destabilize.
That sounds dangerous.
It is. I'm on a time limit.
What if you get stuck here?
I'd be trapped in history.
And what then?
I'd lose my entire identity.
That's awful.
It's the risk I took.
Do others know you're here?
Only a few.
Are they from the future too?
Some are recruited here.
Recruited?
To protect the timeline.
Like time agents?
Exactly.
That's like a movie.
Truth is stranger than fiction.
Why did you talk to me then?
You approached me.
I guess I did.
And now you know too much.
Wait, what?
Just kidding.
Not funny.
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
Can you take me to the future?
It's against protocol.
But is it possible?
Technically, yes.
Come on, just once.
Tempting, but no.
Please.
Don't make this harder.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
When do you leave?
Soon, portal opens at midnight.
Will I remember you?
Not if I reset your memory.
You can do that.
Yes, it's part of the exit protocol.
That's sad.
It is, for me too.
Will we ever meet again?
Not in this timeline.
So this is goodbye.
I'm afraid so.
I'll miss you.
I'll remember you, always.
Can I give you something?
If it doesn't alter history, yes.
Just a drawing.
Then I'd love that.
Here you go.
Thank you, it's beautiful.
Stay safe out there.
You too, in your time.
Tell the future about us.
I will, your story matters.
Goodbye, future friend.
Goodbye, brave one.
You're gone.
Silence in the portal.
Was it all real?
Voice echoes, as real as time itself.
I won't forget.
Neither will I.
Back to my life, I guess.
And back to mine.
Still feels like a dream.
Some dreams are messages.
I'll live better now.
Then I did my job.
Time is precious.
More than you know.
Thanks for the warning.
Thanks for listening.
Maybe I'll make a difference.
I believe you will.
I hope you're right.
I usually am.
Goodbye again.
Farewell.
The future is waiting.
And so is the past.
I'm ready.
So am I.
Time never stops.
But we can change its course.
One choice at a time.
One moment at a time.
See you in another life.
Or another time.